Meaning of Frankenstein.
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 Frankenstein. Frankenstein is a term that refers to something that has been created haphazardly or without proper planning, resulting in a monster or something that is ultimately uncontrollable. The term comes from the novel Frankenstein, or The Modern Prometheus by Mary Shelley, which tells the story of a scientist who creates life but ultimately loses control over his creation. Using the name Frankenstein to describe something suggests a lack of foresight or an inability to manage the consequences of one's actions. It can also refer to something that is patched together or composed of disparate parts.